Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.6% in the last three sessions. The stochastic RSI moved sharply into positive territory. Bitcoin has gained 2.1% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator moved sharply into the positive area. The price of gold has gained 0.9% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator is giving a positive signal. The price of crude oil has gained 1.7% in the last session. Stochastic is strengthening and is now giving a positive signal.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen warned of the risk of a permanent divergence in the global economy and urged major economies to strive to provide significant amounts of new fiscal support. Billionaire venture capitalist Peter Thiel made waves when he suggested that Bitcoin could be thought of as a Chinese financial weapon against the U.S. because Bitcoin undermines the U.S. dollar's global status. The U.S. dollar, which has gained this year, helped in part by a rally in U.S. Treasury yields, has come under pressure in recent sessions as yields have retreated.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The U.S. Producer Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. USDA WASDE report at 1600 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 600 GMT. Germany's industrial production will be released at 600 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.